Hello everyone. In this video we will see that how we can create a new stage under accounts module, or we can rename the existing stage. So these are the stages currently under this account module: prospect, customer and ex-customer. Now let's suppose I want to create one more stage between prospect and customer as a demo stage. So to create that, go to the configurations. There under configurations, go to CRM and then click on accounts. Now under accounts, you will see various multiple channels. Go to the channel under which you want to create that particular stage. Click on an arrow in front of that channel. It will show you the existing stages. We can see prospect, customer and ex-customer. Now I want to add a new stage known as a demo. So I'll click on this plus icon, enter the name of a stage. To change color, click on a stage color and select the color you want to change and click on save. So now once you save, a demo stage has been created. Now drag it between the prospect and customer. So this way a stage has been created. Now let's go to the accounts channel. I'll refresh it. See the new stage which has been created as a demo stage. Now if I want to rename any existing stage, let's rename the customer stage. Go to the same there under configurations. In the front of a customer, click on the edit icon, rename it as per your requirement, click on save, and now the customer stage has been renamed as a client stage. So this is how you can create a new stage under accounts, or you can rename an existing stage. In case you want to remove any stage, just click on the delete icon in front of that stage and delete it. The stage will be removed. Thank you.